Nag-interview.
Yes, we are.
Until when, sir?
Until such time that after conferring with the different law enforcement agencies, no, and the armed forces, after we have talked about it and we saw that the situation is already, mag-normalize na din. That's the time that we may consider to lower our the security level.
Yan yung napag-usapan niyo, sir, with SP this weekend? Tama po ba? Mag-usap
Yeah.
So, at present, may security threat pa rin talaga?
No, kasi the security environment, no, not necessarily dito sa Senate, no, the whole National Capital Region. Nandun ganun pa yung yun pa yung threat level eh. So heightened security pa rin tayo.
So, pwedeng until
Sir, paano
impeachment?
ilalagay natin sa start ng impeachment, sir? Mas maigpit ang seguridad, sir.
Kung ano yung nakikita ninyo ngayon, ganito. But siguro we will just add yung visibility ng ating mga law enforcers, ng OSAA, ng PNP, at ng allied forces.
But so far, sir, may threat ba tayo na natanggap for the July 6 impeachment trial?
None.
How about rallies, sir?
Rally, we deal with it by the week eh. No? So, this week, I think, ang nakikita nating rally, yung White Ribbon Rally, which the Senate is not, hindi naman tayo apektado kasi malayo naman.
Any chance na ibaba yung heightened alert by impeachment o hindi ibababa, lalo kapag nag-start yung impeachment?
It will depend on the...
Week for week po.
Yes.
So, wala pa yung reports, sir, ng ibang agencies? Hindi pa nila nag-verify talaga?
We have already received reports from the different law enforcement agencies. Not necessarily yung threat dito sa Senate. Yung threat dito sa Senate, ganun pa rin, heightened pa rin yung security posture.
Pero hindi pa nila na-verify kung meron nga ba yung threat na yun?
Ganun yun eh. Continuing yung validation eh. Continuing validation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, pasensya na